Today's defense news. A look at the highlights. BHEL inks technology transfer pact with BARC to lower green hydrogen cost and reduce imports. Garuda Aerospace, a drone startup, has successfully raised 100 crore rupees in funding from venture capitalists, achieving a valuation of $250 million. Sixth edition of India-Uzbekistan military exercise Dustlik begins in Pune. Indian Air Force plans for 40 additional Rafale jets amid Navy's imminent deal. QNew Labs launches QShield, the world's first platform that enables seamless cryptography management. GRSE commences construction of state-of-the-art acoustic research ship for NPOL. The global highlights. Fincantieri and Germany's TKMS signed strategic agreement to equip Philippine Navy with submarines. US Air Forces seeking emerging technologies for E-7 Wedgetail or Successors. L3 Harris Gecko Robotics unveil extended reality 3D plane models for maintenance. A look at the news in detail. Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited has entered into a technology transfer agreement with the Bhabha Atomic Research Centre to access indigenous diaphragm technology for electrolyzers, seen as a critical step in advancing India's green hydrogen ambitions. The deal, announced on 16th of April, focuses on BARC's mixed matrix membrane diaphragm technology, which will be used in electrolyzer systems to separate hydrogen and oxygen during electrolysis. Green hydrogen, being a clean and efficient green energy source, can be utilized in various defense applications like powering military vehicles, submarines, and drones. The indigenous development of electrolyzer systems will reduce reliance on imported material, ensuring energy security and self-reliance in critical defense operations. Drone startup Garuda Aerospace has raised 100 crore rupees in its Series B funding round from early stage investor venture capitalist at a valuation of $250 million. The Chennai based company plans to use the funds to strengthen its manufacturing capabilities, focusing on subsystem and component level drone production, scale up its production facility, and fast track the completion of an R&D and testing center for advanced defense drone design. These funds will be utilized to enhance capacity for subsystem level and component level manufacturing in a new 35,000 square feet facility next to the existing 25,000 square feet facility in Chennai. The company also plans to expand its intellectual property portfolio, which currently includes over 20 patents, as part of its efforts to advance both civilian and defense drone innovations. Founded in 2015, Garuda Aerospace manufactures more than 30 types of drones and offers various services, including drone as a service and pilot training. The company operates a fleet of 400 drones across 84 cities and has served over 750 clients, including the Tatas, Adani, HUL, Reliance, and L&T, as well as the government agencies. The sixth edition of the India-Uzbekistan joint military exercise Dustlik began at the Foreign Training Node in Pune. The Indian contingent comprises 60 personnel and is being represented by a battalion of the Jat Regiment and the Indian Air Force. The Uzbekistan contingent is being represented by personnel from the Uzbekistan Army. Dustlik, an annual training event conducted alternatively in India and Uzbekistan, is scheduled to go on till 28th of April. The previous edition was held in Termez district in Uzbekistan in April last year. The theme of the exercise will be based on the theme of joint multi-domain sub-conventional operations in a semi-urban scenario. It will focus on responding to a terrorist action involving the capture of a defined territory. It will also include the establishment of a joint operations center at the battalion level for continuous joint operations, the execution of counter-terrorism missions such as population control measures, raids, search and destroy operations, and the employment of firepower, including air assets, to neutralize terrorists. In a decisive move to shore up India's dwindling air combat strength, the Indian Air Force is reportedly preparing to procure 40 additional Rafale fighter jets from France through a government to government deal, parallel to the imminent Rafale M contract for the Indian Navy, which is likely to be signed in Delhi on 28th or 29th of April when the French Defense Minister visits India. The Air Force currently operates with only 31 fighter squadrons against a sanctioned strength of 42, creating an urgent need for fleet expansion and modernization. QNU Labs, a pioneering Indian quantum technology startup, has achieved a significant milestone by launching QShield, the world's first unified platform for seamless quantum safe cryptography management across cloud, on premises, and hybrid environments. This comprehensive platform represents a breakthrough in quantum cybersecurity, offering end to end encryption capabilities to protect sensitive data both in transit and at rest, positioning India as an emerging leader in quantum safe security solutions. What is cryptography? Cryptography is the practice of securing information using mathematical techniques like algorithms and keys to encrypt and decrypt data, ensuring that only authorized parties can access and understand it. It involves transforming intelligible text into unintelligible text, that is, ciphertext, and vice versa, using various methods. This process helps protect data both at rest, example stored on a hard drive, and in transit, that is during communication. GRSE commenced the construction of a state-of-the-art acoustic research ship for the NPOL, a unit of DRDO. The contract for this advanced vessel was signed between GRSE and NPOL in October 24. The new ARS, measuring 93 meters in length and 18 meters in width, is designed to be a highly sophisticated platform capable of accommodating 120 personnel. It will operate at speeds ranging from 4 to 12 knots with an endurance of 30 days or 4,500 nautical miles at top speed during a single mission. The vessel will be equipped to deploy, tow, and retrieve various acoustic modules and conduct high resolution temporal and spatial surveys of sound velocity profiles. Additionally, it will collect ocean tides and current data to optimize surveys and assist in the design of underwater moorings and offshore deployments. Fincantieri and German defense company TKMS have officially signed an industrial cooperation agreement to provide Philippine Navy with advanced submarine capability solutions. Announced on 16th of April, this strategic partnership aims to merge the technological expertise and production experience of both companies to offer a comprehensive and modern submarine solution tailored for the needs of the Philippines. The centerpiece of this collaboration is the U-212 Near Future Submarine, a next-generation submarine currently being built by Fincantieri for the Italian Navy. U.S. Air Force is exploring upgrades for its future fleet of E-7 Wedgetail aircraft, including the possibility of integrating a new radar system. This initiative is part of an engineering and manufacturing development phase planned for 2027. The upgrades aim to enhance capabilities such as electronic warfare protection, communication systems, and targeting technologies. The Air Force is also considering whether to retrofit existing aircrafts, build new ones with these advanced features, or pursue a mix of both. The E-7 Wedgetail, based on Boeing's 737-700 airframe, is designed for airborne early warning and control. It features a distinctive top hat radar and serves as a critical node for air superiority and battle management. Gecko Robotics and L3 Harris Technologies are collaborating on a highly advanced extended reality capability that enhances detection of physical defects for improved efficiency in the aircraft maintenance and sustainment process. The technology developed by Gecko captures more than 10,000 high definition images of an aircraft surface and converts the imagery into a precise 3D model of the aircraft's physical characteristics. The images provide a digital twin of the aircraft, enabling US military and industry service providers to view and manage operational aircraft maintenance remotely. The 360-degree XR environment allows engineers to assess the health of a platform regardless of where the fleet is located. This allows off-site inspections to occur without a full traveling crew, improving operational efficiency and reducing overhead cost. The high resolution imagery also improves inspection quality by detecting issues invisible to the human eye under standard lighting conditions. A word about Gecko Robotics. Gecko Robotics is a cutting edge company that specializes in using AI and robotics to revolutionize infrastructure maintenance. Their robots are designed to climb, crawl, swim, and fly, collecting high fidelity data to assess the health of critical assets like power plants, refineries, and even military vessels. The company also offers an operating platform called Cantilever, which integrates robotic data layers with AI analysis to optimize assets like life cycles, improve operational efficiency, and reduce cost. Gecko Robotics has been involved in transformative projects such as modernizing the US power grid and enhancing fleet maintenance for the US Navy. That's the news for today. We hope you enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and do give us your feedback. Thank you.